Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the Admbm, I guess, Need the Shawl. And so this should be a massaging shawl thing. Neck massager. Whoa, wow. Box kind of opened up on its side. But here, let's get everything out of here. Oh, everything is right here. Okay. So, the box right there. Here's our instructions. And here is our device. I'll open this up. So, okay, So in here we have our device. We have a charging cord, which is USB-C, USB. So we have some instructions. I don't know why we have two sets. I guess there's just two sets of the same instructions that it came with for some reason. Weird. Okay. Let me just make sure. Yeah, it's funny. They must have printed them at different times because they're different darknesses. But okay. But otherwise, they are both English. Yeah, it's the same thing. Okay. So, kind of explains how to charge it. And then battery. Oh, wow, that one's hard to read. Maybe that's why they put the other one in, because that was hard to read on there. But let's give this thing a try. We have, oh, here's the buttons. Here we have our preparation. We have standby. We have mode. We have, man, I can't read these ones. Let me see if I can read it on the other one. Oh yeah, way better. That's why they did it. Heating and speed regulation. Wow, that's way easier to read. There we go. Okay. So that's why they put the second one in. They must have printed it incorrectly the first time. Okay, so preparation. Please check if the product accessory is complete. Standby key. Long press the standby for 2 seconds to turn on the device. So where is our standby here? 1, 2. Oh, wow, it's moving. Okay. And then it's just totally moving. That's not standby. That's like go. And then, okay, so the standby. Where was the buttons here? There's mode. Oh, so this is going. Oh, what? Oh, it's like switching back and forth. So the first wave went like, I don't know, clockwise. The second wave went counterclockwise. The third one is back and forth. And the fourth one, we're back to counterclockwise again. Okay. And then we have heating, which I don't like ever heating on anything. But then we have speed regulation. Oh, there's going faster. And there's going slower. And there's going even slower. So we have fast, slow, and slowest. Okay, so we have 3 speeds, it looks like here. And then we have this here, so we can put our hands in here. And that will give us the ability to adjust our pressure. So I can feel it here right now. I don't know if you can see it doing anything. Probably not really, but it feels really nice. But okay, let's see. And I can move it up and down if I want to. Oh, back on my head. Okay, but there we go. You can see it moving here. So that's what it's doing. And it's got like, let me actually, oh, it's got one. Oh, it's just rotating on an axis with 3 heads just kind of going up and down, I think. Yeah, I guess that's how it's going. Let me turn the power off here. Just hold it down and turn it off. Yeah, it's just got little nubs and it rotates. That's kind of how it works. That was interesting. I never knew how these things work. So that's kind of how it works. And that's really, I guess, the basics of it. And yeah, so like when it's showing the girl using it here, she's got it going here. So she's got it going here, and she's holding these down. So I guess that's it here. So I guess you can put your hands through here. It's kind of like that. I think that's how I was holding it. So like that. And these are really padded and stuff, so kind of comfortable. I could just sit there and do this while I'm watching TV or whatever and get myself a massage. So I'm going to say this thing is wildly cool. Super cool. I have like an eye massager. Now I have a neck back massager. How cool. Probably can go down a little bit on my back too. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely it works like this. For sure. On my back too. So you can just kind of keep rotating it down wherever you need it. wherever you need the pressure, and it's going to give it. Oh, that's great. Okay, so this is cool. I like it. Thumbs up for sure. Really cool.